Today on Roosevelt's Ride, we actually have kind of a special treat for you. It's actually our first, what is it? What are we doing?
Brand deal. We got some bike bags sent to us today. And we are super excited to be reviewing them. So today we're going to actually just unbox them. So hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Eric. And together we are Roosevelt's Ride.
And the bike bags that we got are
the Kemi Moto Trunk Bags.
Yes. So let's pull this box on up.
Pull it right here and see what we got.
Give
we
it a
already
balance.
opened the box, I'm sorry, but okay. That's what we got. What do we got?
Ooh. Get this tape.
But not only did Kemi Moto, they were really nice. They did not, since there's two of us, they sent, what is this?
We got two of them.
Two bags. Yeah, we already broke into it. Anyway, but let's go ahead and get rid of this. Hold on. Okay, what do we got here?
I don't know.
Oh, all right. Well, these bags look pretty big, actually. Ooh, instruction manual. Okay, okay.
And a rain cover. That's always good to have.
Ooh, there's a little divider inside of it too, so you can compartmentalize it. Yeah, that's great.
You have a divider?
And a strap.
Oh, I have a divider.
Yeah. So these bags actually look like they're pretty good quality, actually, but they're probably water resistant nylon.
Well, they came with a.
Yes, but they did come with a little rain poncho cover. So.
And they, ooh.
Oh, there's lots of
So it's actually a bike bag that turns into a pannier, it looks like, on both sides.
That's handy.
That'll be fun to put on the side. That'll be perfect.
You know what? This would actually be perfect for like a small overnight tour or something.
Yeah,
you know,
like we're gonna go do soon.
Yeah. Oh, hey, look at this. There's even a water bottle holder on the back, so you can add another water bottle. There you go.
Awesome.
Well, cool.
Let's get the camera in close and take a better look at some of these.
Well, honestly, overall, the fit on the bike, as you can see, looks pretty nice. It's a larger trunk bag, but yeah, it could be really good, you know.
For an overnight trip, we're really excited to give it a test out. Definitely check out our next video of how to install this onto your bike.
That's really important, especially when you're going to actually use the bag. Anyway, well, we hope you like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can give you some tips, tricks, snack ideas. Now unboxing videos for all the bike kit that we get. And
bike adventures.
Obviously. Well, I'm Eric.
I'm Christina.
And together we are
Roosevelt's Ride. We'll see you on the trail.
Take care.